Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WebPageTest for global speed comparisons, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate WebPageTest for global speed comparisons, begin by navigating to the official WebPageTest website. Locate the Test a URL section on the homepage. Input the URL of the website you want to analyze in the designated field. Next, select a test location from the drop-down menu. For global speed comparisons, choose a server located in a different country than your own. Consider selecting multiple locations to get a broader perspective on speed. Next, adjust the connection speed settings if needed. You might want to test on a mobile network for more relevant results. Click the Start Test button to initiate the performance analysis. Wait for the test to complete. This may take a few moments. Once finished, you will be redirected to the results page. Here, you can view key metrics such as load time, time to first byte, and fully loaded time. Review the film strip view to see the visual progression of the loading process. Take note of the different performance scores provided for each test location. Use the comparison tools available to analyze results from multiple locations side by side. Explore advanced settings for deeper insights if you are comfortable with more technical parameters. For ongoing monitoring, consider creating an account with WebPageTest to save your tests. Regularly revisit your results for any changes or improvements in site performance. This process will facilitate a comprehensive view of your website speed across different geographical locations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.